Hey everybody, how are you? You guys, I can't believe how late I am in all my Easter, but I'll tell you, it's been one heck of a year for me, and March is probably the worst month of my life. So, needless to say, I am very backed up this year on my Easter DIYs and everything else, so forgive me. But I am going to do a DIY today using a bunny that was gifted to me by Mommy Ramblings. And I am going to revamp this little cutie into a gnome, an Easter gnome. So what I'm using is the bunny. I didn't have any pom-poms, so I have a cotton ball. I'm using some felt. I'm going to make my own beard. I have fur, but I don't like the fur that I was going to use, so I'm going to make my own. And what I'm doing is I'm taking a piece of felt, I cut out just a little divot, and I'm going to use this Fur with Love, the white, the yarn bee from Hobby Lobby. Now this fur is perfect if you want to make beards for the gnome, because it's big, it's fluffy, and it's not going to take a lot to make it. Very easy to make if you can't find fur. Okay, I'm also using these Footsies I got from Dollar Tree. Plus I had one of these little bunnies from Hobby Lobby, so I'm going to be using that as well. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make the beard. Okay, so we're going to move her aside, or him, whatever you want it to be. And you're going to start at the top. You know, actually I think I'm going to start down here at the bottom. And you're just going to keep cutting . This really doesn't take long, and like I said, if you're ever to where you don't have any fur, just get this yarn and I promise you it will work just as well. Okay. Don't worry about it not being exact. You're going to cut that after you get all of this on. And this is so thick. I mean, I've done it with much thinner. This works even better. Okay guys, do you see this? There's the felt and there's the yarn, okay? And now I'm going to cut it down. I'll come back over here. And then you just cut all the excess. And this is nice to know if you don't have fur, because sometimes you can't get it or it's expensive. Okay. Now I just have to cut this little bit for the nose where the divot is. Okay, so you see where that little divot is? But look how cute. And you can put it, you could do it lengthwise if you wanted. I just wanted to do it widthwise. Okay. So now we just have to get I got to go get the pom-pom for the nose. Okay. Let's go ahead and glue his butt on, his little tail. What's nice about this is the bunny is already done. You don't have to put the rice or do anything. Basically, you're just embellishing. So, got the nose, it's just a little pom-pom nose. Now we're going to put the sock, and I'm not cutting it at all. I want all of the length of it. But I gotta make a little slit as soon as I see where I want this for the ears so the ears can come out. Do you see how easy this is? These are perfect for embellishing, whether you want to dress them up and make their clothes or make them like gnomes. Okay, so let's see. I just want a very tiny little hole. I hope this will work. Okay. And you don't want that hole to get big. Oh, how cute, you guys. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Adorable. And I'm just going to glue this here so it doesn't get any bigger. Kind of glue it back, you know, because this I won't take apart. I'll leave this one a gnome. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay, now let's put on the nose. Put on the beard. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't take it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to put this beard right underneath the hat. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Then I'm going to come back here and glue it. And then I'll glue this. I just want that to stay. You guys, oh my gosh. How cute. And I'm just going to put that over like this. I don't want it straight up. I want it over. like this. Okay, and the last thing, see how fast this was? The last thing I'm going to do is this little guy is going to be holding this. Okay, remember these that I got? Oh, you guys, how cute! Okay, so this is where I'm putting this little Easter gnome that I am in love with. This little rattle. Looking so cute for Easter. Guys, I hope I've inspired you to try this. These little bunnies from Dollar Tree can be used in so many different ways, dressed up for different things, make cute gnomes. I just love the way this turned out. I just love it. I just put it in this basket with some eggs I made last year and some of these regular Easter eggs with some lights and grass in a basket. Adorable. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.